Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. Understanding credit and debt, the do's and don'ts, credit cards, credit scores, debt. These things impact our financial future, but how much do you really understand? There are so many myths about credit. Let's set the record straight. You'll have 25 questions with 10 seconds to answer each one. Let's find out if you're financially savvy or if it's time for a money makeover. Let's dive in. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! What is a good practice for building credit? Carrying a large balance on your credit card each month, paying off your credit card in full every month, or only using credit for emergencies. Paying off your credit card in full every month. What is the ideal credit utilization ratio to maintain a good credit score? Using the full credit limit every month, not using the credit card at all, or below 30% of your credit limit. Below 30% of your credit limit. Which factor has the biggest impact on your credit score? The number of credit cards you own, your payment history, or your annual income? Your payment history. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Closing an old credit card always improves your credit score. Yes, you are right. It's false. It can lower your credit score by reducing your credit history length. Which of the following is a credit myth? Making on-time payments improves your credit score. A higher credit score gives you better loan offers. Or checking your own credit score lowers it. Checking your own credit score lowers it. What happens if you only pay the minimum balance on your credit card? Your credit score will increase faster. You will be charged interest on the remaining balance, or your balance will be forgiven after a few months. You will be charged interest on the remaining balance. Which of these will not help improve your credit score? Keeping old credit accounts open, closing old credit cards, or paying bills on time. Closing old credit cards. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What does APR stand for in credit terms? Applied payment ratio, annual percentage rate, or account payment requirement. Annual percentage rate. How long does negative information stay on your credit report? 1-2 years, up to 7 years, or forever? Up to 7 years? Which of the following is true about credit inquiries? Soft inquiries affect your credit score. Hard inquiries stay on your credit report for 10 years. Or too many hard inquiries can lower your credit score. Too many hard inquiries can lower your credit score. Did you know the first ever credit card transaction was for a dinner bill in 1950 because the man who created it forgot his wallet? What is a secured credit card? A card that requires a security deposit as collateral. A credit card with no spending limit. Or a card only available to businesses. A card that requires a security deposit as collateral. Which of the following is not an advantage of a high credit score? Lower interest rates on loans, better chances of getting approved for credit, or guaranteed loan approval. Guaranteed loan approval. What should you do if you suspect fraud on your credit report? Report it to the credit bureaus and freeze your credit if necessary. Wait a few months to see if the issue resolves itself, or open more credit accounts to balance out the fraud. Report it to the credit bureaus and freeze your credit if necessary. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! What does it mean to be creditworthy? Earning a high income, having a history of responsible borrowing and repayments, or owning a credit card. Having a history of responsible borrowing and repayments. What is the best way to use a credit card to build a strong credit score? Use up your full credit limit every month. Make small purchases and pay off the balance in full each month. Or never use the credit card at all. Make small purchases and pay off the balance in full each month. What happens when you default on a loan? Your loan is forgiven, your credit score drops, and you may face legal action, or your credit score increases. Your credit score drops, and you may face legal action. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! How often should you check your credit report? Once every 5 years. At least once a year. Or never, unless you apply for a loan. At least once a year. Which of these is an example of good debt? Credit card debt with high interest, a mortgage on a home, or taking out loans for vacations? A mortgage on a home, What should you do if you're struggling to make credit card payments? Contact your credit card company to discuss payment options. Take out more credit cards to pay off the old ones, or ignore the bills and hope they go away. Contact your credit card company to discuss payment options. Would you rather have an unlimited credit card but never be able to save money? Or have great savings but never use credit? Comment down below. Which action can hurt your credit score? Maxing out your credit cards, keeping your oldest credit card open, or making more than the minimum payment. Maxing out your credit cards. What is the main benefit of having a high credit limit but using only a small portion of it? It helps keep your credit utilization low, which improves your credit score. It makes your credit card issuer increase your interest rate, or it allows you to take out more loans at once. It helps keep your credit utilization low, which improves your credit score. What should you do before applying for a new credit card? Compare interest rates and benefits. Never apply for a credit card unless it's offered to you. Or apply for as many as possible at once. Compare interest rates and benefits. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. How can you legally remove inaccurate negative items from your credit report? Wait 10 years for them to disappear. Dispute the errors with the credit bureaus, or pay the credit bureaus to remove them. Dispute the errors with the credit bureaus. Which of the following best describes a credit score of 800? Poor, average, or excellent? Excellent. How does closing an old credit card account affect your credit score? It can lower your credit score by reducing your credit history length. It has no impact on your credit score. Or it improves your credit score immediately. It can lower your credit score by reducing your credit history length. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Making only the minimum payment on a credit card each month can lead to long-term debt. Yes, you are right, it's true. Interest builds up over time, increasing the total amount owed. Which of the following is the best way to manage debt? Create a budget and prioritize high-interest debt first. Ignore collection notices. Or take out new loans to pay off old ones. Create a budget and prioritize high-interest debt first. That's the end of today's financial journey. Whether you're building credit or managing debt, understanding these concepts can help you take control of your financial future. Remember, smart money habits today lead to financial freedom tomorrow. If you found this quiz helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more personal finance tips. See you in the next Money Smart Quiz.